Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome po sa ating video for today, and we're going to feature now the Calista End. Dito po to sa Calamba West. Actually, this model is available po ito sa iba't ibang location ng First Park. So let's see kung ano bang meron dito sa Calista. So let's see kung ano yung kanyang specifications. Ang floor area is 40 square meters. And ang typical lot area is 60.50 square meters. So pag end, mas malaki yung lot area niya. Of course, kapag inner, medyo maliit. And ito yung possible expansion kung nakikita ninyo. Yan. So dito lang tayo, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga possible na expansion nitong model house na to. And let's go, pasukin natin ang dressed up model house ng Calista. Right? So basahin muna natin kung ano yung mga specifications nito. Ang structure natin is load-bearing walls. Ang roofing niya is pre-painted long span roofing system. Yung wall partition niya, it's a bedroom interior. It's painted dry wall. Yung wall finish niya is smooth painted finish. Ang ceiling natin, ground floor, under slab painted finish. Ang flooring natin is vinyl. Pronunciation, I don't know. Bathroom finish natin is ceramic wall and floor tiles. Doors, main service steel door on steel jamb. Windows natin, front and side, powder coated aluminum frame, sliding and awning type. Stairs natin is concrete, and also utilities provision for cable, TV, phone and AC unit, perimeter fence, concrete wall and steel gate and parking. So ito na yung parking niya, no? And also kasi pag end, medyo may space ka pa rin talagang malaki. So ito, kung nakikita ninyo, itong space na to sa harap, medyo malaki talaga siya. Kaya meron siyang suggested na expansion. Let's go, pasukin natin ang pinakaloob. Kung ano ba ang kanilang suggested na atake sa kanilang interior design. Alright, wow. Okay. So this is the living room. Alright. Pasok na sa living room. Yan. So medyo tahimik tayo dito. Of course, ito yung kitchen mo. And you have your bathroom here. Okay? Yan. So yun ang bathroom mo. And also, meron kang access para sa inyong service area. Also, kung galing ka sa parking, pasok ka na lang dito. Yan ang inyong access. Alright, so pasukin natin ang taas. Alright. Ang taas, ito. Yan. So, pinaka-stair natin. Right. Hello. Yan. Right. So, be yourself, of course. Yan. So, you have 2 bedrooms pala dito. You have the master's bedroom here. Yan. Siguro yung expansion na pinapakita nila kanina is kasi meron ka pang excess dito na area, no? Diyan. So, yan ang possible na expansion ng First Park Mid. Yan, Calista Mid. Yan. So, you have another rooms here. So, itong space na to, depende sa'yo kung ano ang gusto mong gawin dyan. And also, you have your study room. Okay, pwede pa convert mo nito sa yung pinaka kwarto ulit. Alright, ang ganda naman kasi nakasalamin. Hello! Yan. Maganda naman talaga. So, kung makikita nyo doon sa labas, no? Meron ka pang possible options dyan, pwede mong gamitin sa expansion. So, let's see mamaya doon sa kabilang video kung ano ang ginawa na ng expansion, kung paano yung atake na ginawa nila. Alright, so this is Calista Mid and End unit. So, meron tayo dito sa Bulacan, meron tayo sa Batangas, meron tayo sa Laguna, and also meron tayo sa Cavite ng unit na to ng First. Okay. So pasukin natin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ito po ang ating model house ng First Park na Calista End. Right. So suggested lawn improvement. Yan. So maganda rin naman kasi napakaraming amenities ng First Park. You have the poodle place. Meron tayong pool, meron tree house, may gazebo, and so many pa. Okay, may mga clubhouses din tayo na nandito sa project na to. Alright, so that's it. That's the model house of Calista End. Now I'm going to proceed para naman doon sa inner type nila. Okay, sa inner model house. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon.